Good evening, good morning, wherever you are listening or watching me from, and it's breaking out of Nigeria. For those who don't know, APC is not a conjugated, parts of letters. It's just, the name of the biggest party right now in Nigeria. As a matter of fact, giving what the numbers are saying, they have they will be forced to better still start looking for a new chairman of their party because Abdulahi Umar Ganduje, their national chairman, has resigned, and the purpose apparently is giving us a health grounds. It's saying the reason why he's resigning his position is because of health grounds, but so many persons think there might be more to this particular issue. I mean, we are in a country where politicians, always want to basically die in power. That's the country we live in. The third world war does not understand the need for you to go on rest to resign because of incompetence. The third world war just wants to die while they're in power. They don't want to know if they're sick, if they've done something wrong. It's just that they want to just be in power. And so because of that, they rather die in power than relinquish power owing to health status or owing to, inappropriate behavior. So let's just tell you the news is breaking, and just to remind you that you can subscribe to this channel just in case you don't know. Cheesy Media is up to all of the breaking news that you would love to have, love to see, always and all times. All right. Let's just tell you that Umar Ganduje, the chairman, substantive chairman of the APC, has resigned his position, and it is continuing. There are so many persons that have read so many meanings to this, whether it is a meaning that it is gearing towards a one state party or one state country. It might just be. Some others are also reading some other meanings to it that of course, the usual thing on a health ground. Some others are also saying, oh, well, you know what? Tinubu may have forced him to resign his position owing to the fact that there are certain disagreements that has ensued between the president and the chairman, and the only way to actually address it is just to leave that seat. So there are so many controversy. I mean, we all saw it kicking off from the Northeast APC forum where something happened. The president, the chairman himself did not did not add the vice president while he was looking out for endorsing Tinubu for a second term, and so that actually erupted. Some persons are drawing some conclusion to that particular issue. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you have heard any of the stories, what your thoughts are. But let's just tell you, the national chairman of the All Progressives Congress, APC, Abdulahi Umar Ganduje, has reportedly resigned his position. Ganduje, a former governor of Kano State, cited health reasons for his decision, stating that he needs to focus on his well-being. Ganduje's resignation is with immediate effect, according to an ex-post by former media aide to ex-president Muhammadu Buhari, Bashir Ahmad, on Friday. Ahmad wrote, quote, the national chairman of our great party, the All Progressives Congress, APC, Dr. Abdulahi Umar Ganduje, has resigned from his position effective immediately, as confirmed by multiple sources. Of course, this channel is also reporting that Ganduje's tenure as APC chairman has been marked by controversy. The controversy, of course, stemming from different things. The most recent we know of the controversy is the one that happened in the Northeast, where he had actually endorsed Tinubu without his vice, and so that raised a lot of dust. And of course, that would have also raised a lot of eyebrows out there, and you never know. You never know. There's so many readings. So many people think and feel that Ganduje may be working against the party, and so the only way to be sure that he's not going to be in-house and spoil the party's chances come 2027 is by actually asking him to go. All right. Of course, what they have been putting out right now has been that his health is problematic and he just needed to step aside. But of course, there is more to it. In a country and in the third world war that we know people don't like going or resigning because of health issues. The national chairman of the ruling All Progressives Congress, APC, Dr. Abdulahi Ganduje, has resigned from his position Saturday, of course, today actually, earlier today, although the exact circumstances surrounding his resignation remain unclear. As of press time, a senior party official confirmed the development, stating simply, yes, it is true, he has resigned. Sources reveal that Ganduje's personal belongings were earlier moved from his office at the APC National Secretariat, further fueling speculation. The development has thrown the party's headquarters into confusion, with staff and visitors visibly shocked by the unexpected news. So it is true, he is leaving his position as APC chairman. But for you, what do you think? What do you think is happening? What do you think the reading is? For me, what the reading is practically what's happened in the Northeast Caucus Forum recently. I mean, some persons believe that Ganduje, if he wanted to douse the tension, he would have been able to do that, but he visibly did not. Some people think that he may be working against the APC from inside, and so the only way to be sure about that is to make sure that he steps aside. Well, it's possible that it might be health challenges, health problems, health issues, but it's also possible that maybe he was asked to leave, or maybe he was forced to leave, maybe he was asked to resign, and who knows. In coming days, in coming weeks, we're going to be dissecting all of these things with a view to bringing you some updates as to what has happened and what's going on within the APC forum. I mean, I don't know if it's something to be excited about if you are an APC member. If you are an APC member, I don't know, is it something to be excited about? Are you happy? Are you fine by this particular resignation? Well, just to also remind you, a surprise move, Abdulahi Umar Ganduje, the national chairman of the All Progressives Congress, APC, has resigned from his position effective immediately. Mr. Ganduje, a former governor of Kano State, cited health reasons for his decision, stating that he needs to focus on his well-being. Mr. Ganduje's tenure as APC chairman has been marked by controversy and challenges. He was elected as APC's national chairman in August 2023 amidst internal party conflicts. Prior to his election, Mr. Ganduje served as the governor of Kano State from 2015 to 2023. While Mr. Ganduje's resignation letter attributes his decision to health concerns, sources familiar with the matter suggest that political tension within the party may have also played a role in his decision to step down. Allegations of financial impropriety have also been linked to his resignation, with some party members reportedly protesting excessive financial demands imposed by his office. Specifically, aspiring FCT area council chairman, or candidate rather, had complained about hefty fee requirements for receiving the party's ticket. Mr. Ganduje's resignation marks a significant shift in the APC's leadership, and stakeholders are eagerly awaiting further clarification on the circumstances surrounding his departure. The APC has yet to issue an official statement on his resignation, leaving many to speculate about the implications of these developments for the party. Mr. Ganduje's tenure as APC chairman was also marked by suspension and court battles. In April 2024, a Kano State High Court granted an ex parte order restraining Mr. Ganduje from parading himself as a member of the party following a suit filed by some party executives. Additionally, a federal high court in Abuja struck out a suit seeking Ganduje's removal as APC national chairman, filed by the APC North Central Forum. So that's your update. I'm excited I'm able to bring this to your notice, at least the very first channel to have done this on the YouTube channel, but on YouTube this evening. Well, I appreciate every one of you for participating. Let me know what you think about this development. Is it somewhat a welcome development for the APC members or for people of the APC folk? Or do you think it's going to be a huge setback for the APC as the build-up to the 2027 elections hots up? Thank you so much for being part of this broadcast. Endeavor to subscribe, like, and share if you will. I'm Charles. You're on Cheesy Media. See you on the next one.